tinry naman niya.
Yes.
Diba?
Ikaw ka naintindihan yung tanong nung una.
Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine. Ayan, so for today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang naging final Q&A performances for the Miss Elite 2024 na ginanap recently sa Egypt. So, Assalamualaikum. Marhaba. Ang nanalo dito ay si Miss Philippines. That's Jovel.
Wow.
And,
yes.
Without any further ado, let's watch this.
What is the best invention of the century? I'd like to believe that the best invention of the century is the internet. Because of the internet, I'm here, standing in front of you. Internet allows us to connect with one another. Internet allows us to have connection, to spread kindness with one another. Internet allows us to have a platform. And when we have a platform, we have power. And when we have power, we have influence. Influence to spread kindness to one another. And internet, we should use it to be able to inspire one another. And internet, we should use it to spread kindness. Thank you.
Very positive yung mensahe ng kanyang sagot, diba? Sa Egypt kasi hindi talaga kailangan ng sagot na very complicated, na very mabulaklak, or very yung highfalutin words, masyadong malalim na vocabulary, or yeah, you know what I mean.
Sa akin, watching it from yung ngayon lang na nakita ko yung full sagot niya dun sa question. Feeling ko natumbok niya yung sagot na ano ba yung greatest. Kasi yun naman talaga, internet yung greatest na invention for the past years.
From the century.
From the century. Kasi yun talaga yung nag-revolutionize ng lahat eh. Like from work, finances, economics, lahat-lahat na. And even now, internet din ang may dahilan kung bakit merong
nandito tayo.
Nandito tayo, ganyan.
And yun nga, isa din dun sa siguro kasi na-appreciate ng mga Arabs from Egypt is kung paano or kung alam mo yun yung puso ng Pinoy. Kasi yung kindness pa rin yung pinaka-highlight doon sa kanyang sagot, sa kanyang mensahe na we should always spread kindness as much as, you know, if we have the opportunity to be kind to one another, then why not kindness na lang i-share natin or isa.
Nagalingan ako dun sa kanya. At least alam mo yun, nai-pack niya,
So deserve naman talaga. So ngayon, panoorin naman natin ang naging sagot ni Miss Venezuela. Yun yung first runner-up.
What is your greatest weakness?
What is your greatest weakness?
I believe that my greatest weakness is it's also a positive thing to never give up. Sometimes you're weak because you're not getting what you want, but when you stay strong and you don't give up, you will achieve anything you want. That's one of my biggest weakness. Thank you.
Gets ko yung mensahe niya pero medyo nag-jumble lang yung thought siguro. Kasi siguro kung ako yun, parang my weakness is not being able to achieve what I want. But that weakness, I can use it as my strength because I still can continue to, diba, to strive and be able to achieve what I want. Parang ganon. Siguro ganon na lang. No?
Like, medyo nagugulan ako kasi
magulo kasi yung sagot niya.
Nagko-contradict yung positive tsaka negative parts nung so parang naninegate something.
Pero maganda siya.
Parang ang gusto ko niya lang sabihin is, siguro is, yung weakness niya is, she gives up kasi weak siya. Parang ganon. So, in the other end
baka
is dapat
literal niya kasi sometimes yung mga ibang lahi, gano'n yung pagkakaintindi nila sa mga tanong or sa statement.
Pero, in fairness naman, doon sa competition, lalo sa Egypt kasi, pag nasabi mo lang yung mga keywords na
very forgiving sila. Yeah. So, ito naman yung naging sagot ng second runner-up, si Miss Pain.
If you had the choice, would you rather be president or first lady? Okay. So, I think that
Diyosa dito, no?
it's not
What do you choose, to be a president or first lady?
I think that you are a B2B president or be first lady to do big things. And now I'm a teacher, and my dream is sometimes one day make a better world with education and values like quality or respect. Thank you.
Thank you, Spain.
Yun lang, kasi kapag hindi mo talaga first language in English, it's hard to like understand correctly yung tanong. Kaya mahirap din makapag-deliver ng accurate na sagot. So, maiintindihan natin yun, di ba?
Yes.
Though tinry naman niya,
Yes.
di ba?
Ikaw ka naintindihan yung tanong nung una.
Like, yung question is, ano lang yung gusto mo? Ikaw yung presidente o first lady ka at bakit? Parang gano'n.
Pero nabanggit niya yata na first lady kasi parang pag kahit na first lady ka, you still have great responsibility. Like her, she's a teacher, she could always make the world better. Parang ganun lang yung thought nung niya.
Simple, and then may puso din, tsaka medyo siningit niya yung pagiging teacher niya and how important the education is. So ayan, at susunod natin papanoorin ay naging sagot sa tanong-anong sagot sa tanong ni Miss Mexico, third runner-up.
Do you believe contestants should be coached for pageants? Well, I think part of the preparation for us, the contestants, is our team. We need to be working all together as a team. And also,
parang nagsalubong yung kilay niya na.
The mixologists, they always help us through their hot picks and support each other. Even if you may think this is a easy topic to be just here on stage, we need a lot of preparation. We need to be focused on ourselves to take care of our mental health, on our physical body. So obviously, we need help from them. Thank you so much.
Which is true naman. Like,
yes.
You really need to train, you need help. Kahit saang naman siguro, kahit saang field. Like, you won't be able to prosper or to achieve something greater without the help of other people. Most especially yung mga experts. Diba? Kasi no one is an island. So, I love that. And it's very humble lang yung sagot niya. Ganon.
Very simple and kumbaga definition of terms lang din naman. Pero yun nga, as a person, kailangan talaga coachable ka eh. Kasi yun yung means mo for growth.
We don't, argue with that thought. So, lastly, ang sagot sa tanong ni Miss Indonesia, fourth runner-up.
What is your proudest
Uy,
accomplishment?
ganda niya ha?
Oh, very much.
Pinaarab yung kanyang makeup.
I am lucky to have this question. My proudest accomplishment is to stand here in Miss Elite World 2024 stage, representing my country proudly. I am a proud Indonesian queen. I come from a land of islands. We have 17,000 over islands. I come from one of the smallest. I believed in myself. That is why I'm standing here today. I have that little girl in me, that little Tawana shoulder that still fight until today, that has the power and still have the fire to achieve her goals because she has vision and dedication. Thank you.
Okay, sagot niya, like, it's very powerful. It's very empowering for a woman. Though, sa Middle East kasi hindi pwede yung sobrang empowered yung babae or kumbaga intimidating
Pero hindi natin
babae.
sinasabi na dapat gano'n or
Oo.
doon lang yun kasi talaga.
Yun lang yung na-observe natin as the culture, part of the culture. Like, yung traditional culture na iba kasi yung dating kapag ka yung ganon, di ba? So, I think that's one factor kaya hindi siya napili. And, parang kumbaga sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung traditional na Filipina Maria Clara, yung mas may dating. Very soft, very feminine.
Sa akin siguro, kung ilalagay mo siya sa ibang competition, like sa hindi sa Egypt or hindi sa Middle East,
competition, so hindi pageant,
hindi,
sports.
pageant pa rin, pero siguro mga ibang title ganyan. Siguro mag-first runner-up siya or second runner-up siya. Ganun. Kasi parang, yun yung parang traditional way of, answering that kind of question, yung
but then siguro,
small country,
yeah, but then siguro the judges are already aware of those,
yung mga
yung ganung prototype ng sagot. Kaya parang,
yun nga yung,
they don't buy it.
Parang nakikita ko dyan na at least, di ba, may ibang perspective din pala yung platform na yan, yung elite na, yung iba, pag itataas mo yung mismong program na, or mismong pageant na yun na, nandito ko, ang greatest achievement was to be here in this pageant, kanyan. They buy it. May mga ganong pageant, di ba? Kasi tinataas mo yung platform na yun eh. Pero sila, hindi. Parang naghahanap sila ng what is your greater achievement as a person.
In general, to sum it up, parang deserve naman pala talaga ni Philippines yung crown. Kung, di ba, kung ikumpara mo yung mga sagot ng ibang candidates from other countries, and also looking at her performance talaga during that coronation night. Diba may scorecard, camerot naman sila during that night. And congratulations to Miss Philippines. Congratulations kay Jovel for, bringing home the first Miss Elite crown for the Philippines.
Paging dagdag ko nung ang gaganda ng mga kandidatang nanalo, promise, diba? So, yun lang.
Yun lang?
Oo.
Yun lang pala yung sasabihin. So yun guys, and thank you so much. At sinamahan niyo ako sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!